In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get discounts on Udemy courses. If you're an avid learner or just looking to pick up a new skill, Udemy offers a vast array of courses at different price points. However, who doesn't love a good deal, right? So, let's explore a simple yet effective technique to potentially unlock better pricing on Udemy courses. Now, you might be browsing Udemy and noticing some fluctuations in pricing, or perhaps you're wondering how you might snag a few discounts. Here's where a neat little trick comes into play. Browsing in incognito or private mode in your web browser. This may sound a bit unconventional, but bear with me. When you navigate the internet, websites store data about your visits through tiny pieces of information called cookies and use your browsing history to tailor your experience. Sometimes, these cookies can influence the prices you see based on previous searches or purchases. Switching to incognito mode allows you to browse online with a clean slate. It prevents your web browser from storing your site data, cookies, and browser history. In many cases, this means you might see different pricing or promotional offers when you visit Udemy. Let's walk through how you can do this effortlessly. First, you'll want to open a new browser window in incognito mode. Depending on your browser, the process is simple. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser window, then select New Incognito Window. For Firefox users, you'll do the same, but choose New Private Window. Similarly, if you're on Safari, you can simply go to the File menu and choose New Private Window. It's straightforward. Once you're in incognito mode, navigate to the Udemy website just like you normally would. You'll notice that you won't have to worry about logging into an account, as this mode doesn't save data. Browse through the courses you're interested in and observe the prices. It's quite similar to hunting for a deal in a store. Sometimes you might find an unexpected sale or a lower price tag on that course you've had your eye on. Now, you may be wondering why this approach might result in different pricing. Internet retailers sometimes offer specials to attract new users or to catch the attention of frequent web users who surf privately to shop around. By emulating the behavior of a new user without previous browsing data, you may inadvertently unlock special pricing or discounts tailored for potential new customers. While this trick doesn't guarantee a discount every time, it's worth a try since it costs nothing and only takes a few moments. Who knew that just tweaking the way you browse could uncover some hidden savings on your next learning adventure? There you have it. This simple technique could be your gateway to saving some money while broadening your horizon with new courses. Happy learning and even happier saving.